Hello, welcome back. So today I want to talk about my FITTONIAs. So I'm going to give you a quick care guide and some quick tips as to how to take easy cuttings from these. So my FITTONIA at the minute is looking a touch sorry for itself compared to what it has been looking like. I think it's just due to the weather, now sort of dry it is at the minute. So I mist mine sort of once a week. That brings out these sort of deep vein colours, also called the nerve plant, just because of what these are meant to look like, the internals of the plant. And from a watering stance, they don't take too much, to be fair. All I do is I kind of wait for them just to droop just a tiny bit, and then I will sort of top them back up, don't give them too much, and they just bounce back to life perfectly. So I'm just going to show you a quick way as to how to take an easy cutting. It's really simple, and obviously you can multiply your collection. So with a sharp pair of scissors, I tend to just take like a short cutting, something which is about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, depending on what you've got. I only take sort of what I want at the time, so I did one, I think it was about 6 weeks ago now, and I'll just show you the progress on that. This is my FITTONIA cutting. So it is about 6 weeks, so it could have been potted up before this really, but I wanted to keep it going just to show you guys really something I've never done before. I experiment all the time with different cultivation like methods, but this is kind of turning into one of my favorites, seeing what I can get going just in water. As you can see, it actually looks really healthy, so the small plant looks really healthy, and this will go into like a multi-purpose compost mixed with maybe a little bit of perlite or just a little bit of sand to get it a little bit more free draining. And that's it. So it'll go into a rather small pot to begin with, and then obviously I'll pot it up as it grows. I'll just show you what this looks like. So I'll just use the leaves to hook over on the edge so it's secure, and then just drop it into the water. Let's talk conditions then. So the more sun the better for these guys. So I have mine in a west facing window, so plenty of sun. In the winter you don't want them to get too cold, so you can sort of move them around, although all sorts of plants don't like to be moved around, so just bear with them over the winter period. Mist them twice a week. It won't hurt for 3 times a week. I do mine about once a week, so they could be brighter than this, though I'm quite happy with the colorations on them. And that's it really. So if I've missed anything out, then please feel free to ask any questions down below. And until next time guys, I'll see you. And I really wanted to wear my new glasses for the vlog, but I can't see a thing because, as you can see, it's just steaming up. See you guys.